everyone, today we will learn about the working of a computer. It means how a computer works. It works on the principle of input, process and output. It means we have to give something to the computer that will be called input, and the computer will process it with the help of the processing device, that is CPU. And after that, computer will give us the output. Here are some of the activities given, some of the names given, and we have to find out which one is the input, which one is the processing device, and what is our output. So we start with this first one, that is mango. Here I have mango. Suppose if I want to drink the mango juice, then what will be the input? I need a mango now, so this is input. So we will write this input in this mango in the input column. Now to drink the mango juice, we need to put the mango in the juice maker. So next is the juice maker. So this is the processing device that will help us in making mango juice. So let us write juice maker here. And now juice maker has completed its work, and now we are ready with the mango juice. So let us write here mango juice. Our mango juice is ready and it is our output. So now moving to the next one. Next one is the ATM card. Okay, suppose in my wallet the money is finished, my cash is finished. So I need more cash, and for more cash I need the ATM card. If this ATM card I will put in the ATM machine, what I will get? I will get the cash. So here ATM card is the input. So we will write this ATM card in the input column. So let us write here ATM card. So here we put this ATM card in the ATM machine. So this ATM machine is the processing device that will help us in getting the cash. So this ATM machine is the processing device. Let us write here, and now we got the cash, we got the money. So this is our output. Let us write in the output column. Now we have to find out our third input. See, this is washing machine. In washing machine, what we will put? Of course, we will put the dirty clothes. At the end of the day, our clothes got dirty now. So we will put this dirty clothes in the washing machine. Then what we will get? We will get these clean clothes. So accordingly, these dirty clothes are our input. So let us write here in the input column dirty clothes. And we have put these dirty clothes in the washing machine. So this is our processing device that is helping us to get the clean clothes. So write here washing machine. So finally our clothes are washed and we got the clean clothes. So write here clean clothes. I think you can write much better. My handwriting is not well today. Okay. So now we have to find out the last input. Here we have one more input. Suppose I need the ice cubes today. I want to drink the juice and I need the ice cubes. So what I have to do if I need the ice cubes? I need to put the water in the refrigerator, and after some time I will get the ice cubes. So next one is water. I had taken water and I put in my freezer, in my refrigerator. So water is the input and refrigerator is the processing device that is helping me to get the ice cubes, to make the ice cubes. So this is the final output we got. So this is the input process output cycle on which our computer works. So simple is that. I hope you all have enjoyed the video and understood the topic of input process output cycle. Thank you so much for watching the video.